It's a new day for me and time to explore and wander more through Larnaca. And one of the things I'm usually interested to see is the local market. And there it is. You can see that it was in 1936, but it has been renovated a few years ago. But let's go inside and see what they have for sale. Let's start with the little truck. Let's picked up a ton of yummy fruit and veg. Now I'm gonna let my camera run more randomly then. And what sweets? I did not come early because I was doing some other bits. Spices. Saffron at this price. It must be a lesser kind because there's no way you can sell it at this price. Zivania, honey, wines. And there is a coffee shop. Well, it looks super elegant, but very small. And I'm not really seeing a lot of, traditional, authentic stuff. There's some of it, but okay. There's some fruit here. Pomegranates.
Yes, Andrea. Yes.
Oh, yummy nectarines. I bought some here in Cyprus and they were very delicious. And then you must have the olives. And these are yummy too. I tried a few different kinds. Olive oil. And olive paste. Okay, I'm looking up. Those look really cool. And I can see that there's restaurant space up there. Okay. It looks really pretty, but I expected much more. Nuts and nut mixes. Oh, and there you can see those sweets that look like massive sausage candles. They dip them into different kind of fruit juice. Oh, the glass. Souvenirs and some lace bits. I have seen the same everywhere I go. The original place for lace is the village of Lefkara. I didn't make it there, but it's all over the island. Another coffee place with some pastries. Okay. Toiletries. It doesn't to take photos or videos. Is there anything in there? Yep. More products made out of olive oil and all sorts of knickknacks. Hello. Okay. Well, it looks like that's it. Well, I must say I am a little disappointed. Not because the place is yucky, because it's the exact opposite. It looks gorgeous. But because there's not a lot in it. Maybe on a Saturday or other days. I don't know. I have no idea. I was curious to see it because this is the Larnaca Municipal Market. So that's that. Okay. Let's move on and wander to some other parts of the city. Right, I'm in an ordinary car park, but I'm coming here because look what I spotted from a distance. Now I know that there's quite a few graffiti artists here in Larnaca, and I am quite impressed by the quality of their work. You don't often see something like this. I like both of them. You can see the signature of one paparazzi. I've seen some of his work on videos, so nice to see it for real. I like how the simplest buildings have a pretty door and then some flowers nearby. Another thing I never expected to see here. Look at that, Bangladesh Honorary Consulate General. Right, I'm on the side of the market building, on the other side. I'm passing a jewelry shop and I just found the cutest little mouse with a bead for its body. Now you might remember this, the Church of St. Lazarus. I showed it to you on the first day I got here. I'm just showing you this random restaurant sign for no other reason that I like the look of it. And I'm back at the sea. Look at the glimmers in it. We have a bit of a wind, and imagine this, it rained in the morning for a short time. Now I want to get somewhere, so I need to get going. And let's see if I can pull off the plan I have in my head. I'm not telling you yet, just in case it's not gonna happen. So, let's go. Just came to see this building and there's a tiny little park around it. And this one is used as the tourist information center. I thought I lost something, but they told me exactly the things I already looked up, so well, let's try. Hey, it's a bit windy here. I've taken a bus to the edge of the city because I wanted to come and see this. Now, can you guess what's It's the famous salt lake. I was a little bit hesitant because I wasn't sure how things would work out, but let's go down there and see it for ourselves. Okay, there's another main road behind me, but I made it closer. Look at this! Wow! I am completely blown away by the sight. Now I just need to find a way there, because as you can see it's dense shrubbery and grass and very likely snakes and other things. Not a safe place to cut through. So I'm gonna go down that way to see if there's a path leading to it. Okay, this looks like maybe it's a path or not. And there I am! It's quite windy here, so I'm sorry already about the noise that the audio will suffer, but wow. to get closer to a spot where the water is near. Pinkish bits. Okay, the wind is properly howling. I will need to mute this. You can see the layers. How cool is this? Never seen anything like it. And this part looks like it's melted, which I'm not surprised in this heat. More salty. I have come back to these beautiful buildings I saw yesterday and figured out that is the gallery, but look, so no joy. Let's see something else. The winds have been crazy today, and unfortunately look what happened here. I was sitting and having the coffee and a gush of wind just came and blew the whole thing apart. I managed to quickly go in, and I think a couple of ladies were slightly injured who were sitting here. Oh goodness, I can't believe something like this can happen. Just literally, it was a few seconds, not more. Okay, this was quite mad. A lady had her phone fly away, but somebody found it, so... Oh. It's just... I am still a little bit bewildered, really. Wow. And now it is as calm as it's not been all day after this. I really feel sorry for them for having this torn and some breakage. Well, most of the folk who were here, some have already gone and some are inside. The instinct of like just stand up and run was there. I think except two people, everybody just did a runner and we were fleeing to the indoor part of the restaurant. Oh. Anyway, I hope that something like this won't happen again. Okay, let's continue wandering. I feel like I am now calm enough. It did give me a little bit of a fright, and I was afraid, you know, that somebody got cut or something, because I heard a lot of glass and whatever else smashing and touring and all that. Let's hop on over to the beach for a bit. It would be nice to just stand there for a bit and breathe. It's quite amazing how calm it is now. Whew. Water and the sight of water is always very therapeutic to me. These are the first piece of shells I've seen. It's quite unbelievable, the lack of shells on the beaches I've been to. Okay, I found these two. Neither of them is completely whole, but this is the best I can do so far. I've never seen this type. They're very pretty. And there is that tiny fragment there. Haha, it's already washing away. But I could not help myself. It is a beautiful island and I really like it here. Right, that looks quite dramatic. with the clouds looming over. Absolutely beautiful though. Rentals of all sorts, water related. I am making my way back to Larnaca Castle because 2 days ago when I wanted to visit it I got there too late and it was already closed. So now I still have time and of course I would like to see it. Now I'm gonna film a separate video about it so I'm not boring those of you who are not interested in this. You can see it just from the outside. It's not very large. It's also called a medieval fort because it was rebuilt in that time, but it has a ton of history, and yeah, that's one of my interests, so of course I'm gonna go and see. And you can see the minaret of a little mosque near, which I have showed you. Okay, I'm going in. And it's the call to prayer. The mosque is just there. It's the first time I'm hearing it since I've been in Larnaca. Yeah, 3 cats. Psst. Hello, big one. And here's 2 lazing there, and another one in the shrubbery. Hello, darling. What you doing? What you doing? You found a good spot there for yourself. I'm a friend. Don't be afraid. The car just passed, so I got a little bit spooked. You're a cutie pie. You're listening to me. Yeah? Okay. Bye. Hello, kitty. You want some kebab as well? Look at him sitting expectantly. That's where they're making the food. Psst, psst. Hey. Well, I haven't had this much fun with a gazillion cats since ever, like I had in Cyprus. He's sitting just like the Egyptian cats used to be immortalized. Beautiful. Hello, little darling. Did you find things to munch on? I'm very happy to see you. Oh, I don't have any food to give you, but I can see you're managing. Okay. Bye. My lovely holiday in Cyprus has come to an end. I will be heading to the airport soon, and just wanted to quickly see the marina one last time. I hope you enjoyed all my wanderings through Cyprus. If it's the first time you're stumbling across my videos, I have filmed in Paphos, Limassol, Larnaca, Nicosia, the Troodos mountains, monasteries, villages, all sorts that I got to visit, and every single one was very different for one reason or another. So make sure you check them out should you be interested in visiting Cyprus or just seeing how it is through my eyes this time. So that's that. Wish you all a lovely day from beautiful and sunny Cyprus. Bye!